Hi there parents, welcome back to another math hour. This is another special time difference episode. I got this question from one of my students who asked, what if the start time was in the afternoon, like at 1:29 p.m., and what if the end time was the next day at 4:19 in the morning? How do we find the time difference between these two times? And the answer? You're going to use the same military time technique, the same thing. So all we got to do first is look at our times. That's PM right there. Let's turn that PM time into military time. So 1:29 PM. I'm going to add a 12 to the hours, and that becomes 13:29. So that's step number one. If you got a military time, turn it into, no, sorry, if you got American time or US time, turn it into military time, like we did right here. Now that we got that, let's set up our math equation problem. We always start with the end time first. So the end time is 4:19 a.m. And it's a.m., so there's no need to change anything. It's a.m., there's no military time. We're going to subtract this by this side, 13:29. And as always, I like to separate my hours and minutes with a line. This side is H for hours, this side is M for minutes. And again, the same technique applies. Take a look at the minute side. 19 minus 29. I can't do that. I cannot do small number minus big number. So I gotta make 19 the bigger number. How do I do that? I put plus 60. And the minute I do that, I add them up and I get 79. And I minus it by 29, which is not a problem, and I'm going to get 50. And there we go. My minute side is all set and ready to go. Now let's go to the hours side. Uh-oh, we've got a problem. 4 minus 13. I can't do that. So we need to make 4 the bigger number. Now take a look. We're at the hours side. How many hours are there in a whole day? Well, 24. So why not add 24 hours plus 4? That'll definitely give me a bigger number because 24 plus 4 is 28. And when I minus 28 minus 13, I'm going to get 15. Hey, that works. So as you can see, I added minutes over here because this is the minutes side. I did 60 minutes in 1 hour. On this side is hours. And I know that there are 24 hours in one day. So that's why I added 24 on this side. But we're not done yet. Take a look on this side. Remember, I had to add a 60 over here on the minute side. If you're going to add a 60, that means if you're going to add an extra hour on this side, you need to minus an extra hour on the hour side. So I have to do 15 minus 1. And that'll give me 14 hours. And there we go. We finally have our answer. The time difference between 1:29 in the afternoon to 4:19 in the morning of the next day. The time difference is 14 hours and 50 minutes. And that's how you do it. Thank you.